All right, so looks like we got the kind of the core team here uh, for this. What is this? The second week of March. Uh, the challenge DAC kind of core team right here, and we'll just kind of go through different things that we're working on this week. And if you guys have any comments or suggestions, comment down below. Let us know. So what do you guys think? We're in our second week of version 7. Things have been working pretty well. We've had a few bugs, but things have been getting cleaned up pretty nicely. And it looks like we're getting new downloads, like a good 30. I think we got like 20, 30 yesterday, and the day before we've been getting new ones. So that's good to see increased activity.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I also noticed the sort of posts on the Hive blockchain. I saw some posts from the Hive users. So they are promoting the ChallengeEOS application, and I'm happy about that. That they have decided to join the contest. And I'm curating their post, and also I'm giving out good upvotes to quality comments.
Yeah. Yeah, I went through the EOS, the Challenge EOS community on Hive, and I think over the last month we've gotten like 30 or 40 different posts, which have been pretty good. I think one thing that hurt this delegation, because I think the delegation goes out tomorrow, and so we have to get more delegation if we want to keep doing upvotes. But like for the last 3 weeks, no one's been able to write about the software because the software hasn't been out. So there was like we got the delegation too early. We would have been better off getting it out later. So I don't know. That's something that I'm not sure about, if it's better to use the delegation, or is it better to take the money spent on delegation and use it for rewards? Um, I don't know. So I'm always impressed with what people are willing to do on challenge. It seems like the challenges have been going pretty good. You've got one going on Facebook right now, Willow.
Yeah, I have challenges going on Facebook,
Okay.
and I think we've been reaching a good number. We have a great number of reach these days. If you noticed, before the version 7 was out, we had difficulty in having a greater number of people, a greater number of people. So I believe with the challenge application now, when I get to upload a post and I get to challenge people to go share those posts and tag their friends, mention exchanges, mention businesses and brands. So it gets to reach a greater number of people. I think that's a great improvement for us.
Yeah. Yeah, I think yeah, I noticed a lot of the challenges on Facebook, they're reaching like a few 3, 4 thousand people. So I think it's good, even if they're not huge prizes, but just doing, when we're posting something on Facebook, add a challenge to it. It looks like you've been doing that too, City Mills, right? Doing that for
Yeah,
Twitters.
on Twitter.
Yeah. So I think that's good. Just give out challenge tokens and kind of boost our already, our daily posts. Um, have you guys used Discussions app recently, or have you ever used it before? You
I
used it.
haven't been on the app yet.
You've used it
Unless it can
before.
only be used on mobile. You can only use mobile to access the app.
Okay. But you guys both have
Yeah,
mobile, right?
yeah.
Okay. Have you used it, City Mills?
No, I want to start using it tomorrow because it's already late here. So I'll start using it tomorrow. The last time I tried to use it, they were trying to tell me, I think it's my connection that was the issue.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I'll check it out tomorrow.
Yeah, you guys saw where they added CHL on Discussions app. So
Yeah.
I think it'd be good to do a challenge, like do something as a thank you for them, like uh do, like, I don't know, you kind of almost have to be a user of the application to know what would help them, but do something, or give out some challenge tokens to their community, because that was cool of them to add CHL.
I think Zach doing that already. So when I can access the application, I'll do that.
Yeah. Zach's a big discussions app user, so I think I don't know if he coordinated that or whatever, but I heard that he was giving out tokens. So I need to get on there myself because and start using them because they're a decentralized app running on EOS, so we got a lot of stuff in common, and we probably can help each other out even more so. I think that's one of the biggest things is just finding people that we can help. Like we've been able to help ourselves a lot by boosting our own posts and stuff, but finding other people that we can help, um, who would benefit from challenges being made, so that's I don't know. I was almost thinking about running a challenge where we ask people and say, hey, share a link below of something that you think would be good for us to run a challenge on, like, and people could drop like different, just to see what people come up with.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think the challenge for the discussion application, I think I'll take on it.
Okay. Yeah. Take a look on that, see what's going on, and take the lead on there, and yeah, and let us know what's a good way of doing something to help them, help boost their community or help them out. And then we're just finishing up version 7 this week, uh, and then I'm running a challenge right now. I'm just playing around with different challenges. I had one challenge where I asked people to make a video um, of themselves asking Block One why they have not given any funding to us. So I was like, that's a funny little topic to do it, and how come they haven't, so last time I checked, I was giving out zero point 0.4 EOS, which I figure is a pretty good reward. Like, that's like $2 or close to $2, almost like $1.50. Just for, I said you have to be 60 seconds. So we got 2-3 videos so far submitted, and I'll see what else comes. I said max 15 winners, and then after that, I'm gonna make a challenge and ask people to take those videos and comment them down below on Block One's Twitter. So
Maybe the latest tweet.
yeah, just so start building that online content, and then do another challenge to circulate it, and yeah, I think that'll be good for us to do. Who knows? Maybe they'll help us out.
All right.
Yeah. When I can access the discussions app, I'll be able to do a giveaway inside the app.
Discussions app. Okay.
I think there's a gateway. Yeah, there should be a gateway where I can deposit CHL to the app. So I'll check that out.
Okay. Yeah. And yeah, we'll do that. Keep running the Twitter challenges. We keep those going. And what else did I got on my notes here? Oh, what's one thing that we could do is we were talking to my dad and I. We were talking to someone from EOS Nation, and I was telling him about challenge, and I said, yeah, we can boost certain things, and we can boost your Twitter or whatever. And they're like, I asked them, I said, what kind of, so I didn't say we could boost your Twitter. I said, hey, we can boost certain things of yours online. What would help you guys out? And they said, oh, if you could do something with our Twitter, that would really help us out. So you think there's any way you could go on EOS Nation City Mills and like find a tweet of theirs and like run a challenge to have people like reshare it or have it try to grow its grow its reach a little bit?
Okay.
Yeah, fine. Yeah, maybe if we can find, and then afterwards I can show them, because I can say, hey, this is what we did for your tweet, just as a, because I was like explaining it, because a lot of times, unless you kind of see this stuff for yourself and see what it does, how you can get a post to, or how you can get a tweet to reach more people, or how you can get more people to share things on Facebook, you don't really understand. So I was like trying to explain it to him, but I said, I'll just do it on one of your posts or one of your tweets. So yeah,
I'll do that.
cool, yeah. And then we'll show that, and then we got a decision to make on the delegation. I don't know if we should keep getting delegation or if we should just concentrate on challenges. You've been running the delegation mostly, right, City Mills?
Yeah, I think there are a lot of challenge app users and Telokanda users who are running the contest now. They've just sent in their entries. I saw about 4 entries yesterday and 3 other entries today. So
Yeah,
I think we are doing a lot of things. I think getting engagement if the information is out.
yeah, that's good. Yeah, because yeah, I mean, we'll look into it. We'll see if we can squeeze some more delegation. And I want I want us to have good reward challenges too, or good prizes for challenges. Um, so if you guys have any good ideas of challenges to make, I mean, one thing that would be cool is to do something for this video. What's a good challenge once we post this to YouTube to get more views on it, or to it, yeah, I guess get more views or get more exposure for it.
Just like we
Okay,
always do. We can
I can
ask
make a
them to.
challenge for that.
Okay. What do you think? Just like ask people to reshare it on Twitter or something, or ask, because you can ask somebody to reshare something, but that's different than like, you could ask them to tag some friends or whatever, or they're getting other people to watch it. So I don't know what the best means is.
I think by sharing, you get to tag other people. So I
Yeah,
think that way, you know, by the time someone comes and sees it, gets to tag other people as well. You can challenge someone to tag someone.
yeah, yeah. You
I
could do
know
something
whatever
like
you're
that. You
right.
know, a lot of it just comes down to like how if someone's just going through the motions or if someone's trying to really help. Um, but it looks like we lost both of their connections here. Do I still got you, Willow? Looks like we lost City
Yeah, I
Mills.
still got okay. I'm trying to read down this line.
Yeah. And someone on Telegram was saying that Telos is ERC20 compatible now, or Ethereum compatible.
Yeah, I did. I saw someone share it. Saw someone
Yeah.
talk about it on the challenge that official Telegram
Yeah.
channel.
Yeah. Something that we need to look into.
So I saw the chat you dropped. You are talking to one of them, right?
Yeah. As one of those guys, I think, wanted us to message one of the people running Telos or whatever. And I sent them a message. I don't know if they've responded, but I guess they're on. I don't know how that. I got to get my mind around how all that would work, how their chain would connect with Ethereum, and then I know Binance was doing something where they had their chain, they did everything on the side chain, and they still had something connecting to Ethereum. So who knows? Maybe they got something similar, but that's the one problem is so much of the demand. I mean, I know there's so many people wanting to get CHL that just aren't able to because they're not on EOS, they're not familiar with EOS. So something like Ethereum reaches so many more people where um, you might be good to have a token out there to and then maybe get those people to cross over and come over to challenge on mainnet and vote on the application and that sort of thing. So can you try to dial
I
City
also think
Mills, or what's going on?
I'm, I'm still trying to dial him. Still
Okay.
trying to dial him. Okay. I think one of the challenges we have is some people get to ask, how do I buy CHL?
Yeah,
You get that if you don't meet them, if you don't get to meet them one on one, it's difficult for you to explain how
it
you
is.
can.
Yeah, it is. It's yeah. I a lot of people who want to buy it, and they explaining the process of having to get EOS. Then you take EOS and you got to go on Nudex, and it's a lot for people who aren't savvy to figure out. I mean, we're really reaching like a minority of people. Um, only a very small minority of people have access to challenge tokens. So, um, yeah. So hopefully, we were hoping that something was going to develop with the Binance smart contract chain, but something still might. But that kind of little team we were working with, things that kind of broken down with them. So, uh, we'll stay after them. So, but
Yeah.
um,
I don't know. Maybe city's connection is bad.
Yeah, maybe he's got a bad connection, but that's pretty much what have we've been going for like 20 minutes or so. So
I should be up to 20 minutes.
yeah, it should be okay. So that's good. So I'll probably just cut it here in the next minute or two. I think
Okay.
yeah, just keep making challenges. I'll put this video out on YouTube, and then you want to run a challenge. Maybe I can get you and City to run a challenge on it, and
Okay.
then you can take the lead on Discussions app, kind of see what's going on there, and figure out that
Yeah,
app.
I will.
Okay, cool, cool. I think that's it then. So, all right, let me know. Let me know if you guys need anything. I'll go ahead and we'll sign off here.